Are you tired of the endless diet fads, the confusing advice, and the nagging feeling that you're constantly fighting an uphill battle with your weight? What if everything you thought you knew about weight loss foods was subtly, deceptively, leading you astray? Today, we're not just going to debunk myths, we're going to revolutionize your understanding of how food truly interacts with your body for sustainable weight loss. Forget the magic pills and the deprivation diets. We're diving deep into the science, revealing the surprising truths about foods that genuinely support your weight management journey, giving you the power to make informed choices that truly transform your health and well-being, not just for a week or a month, but for life. This isn't just another diet talk, it's an unveiling of profound, actionable knowledge. Imagine scrolling through social media, bombarded by headlines screaming about fat-burning foods or detox diets that promise miraculous transformations. You see celebrities endorsing strange concoctions, and your friend swears by that one superfood that supposedly melted away their excess pounds. It's a bewildering landscape, isn't it? The sheer volume of conflicting information about weight loss foods can feel overwhelming, leading to frustration, confusion, and often a cycle of trying and failing. The truth is, the weight loss industry is a multi-billion-dollar behemoth, and unfortunately, much of its messaging is driven by profit, not by sound, evidence-based nutrition. This has led to a proliferation of myths, alluring narratives that sound plausible but lack scientific backing. We've been conditioned to believe in quick fixes and magical ingredients, when the reality is far more nuanced, and frankly, far more empowering. It's time to cut through the noise, to discard the misleading marketing, and to embrace the foundational principles that truly govern weight management through food. This isn't about deprivation. It's about strategic eating, understanding your body, and harnessing the power of whole, nourishing foods to support your metabolic health. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. There are no fat-burning foods in the literal sense. This is perhaps the biggest myth perpetuated in the weight loss sphere. No food, by itself, possesses a magical property to incinerate fat cells. The idea that eating a particular fruit or spice will significantly boost your metabolism to the point of torching calories is fundamentally flawed. While some foods might have a very minor thermogenic effect, meaning your body expends a tiny bit more energy to digest them, this effect is negligible in the grand scheme of overall calorie expenditure. The twist here is that while no food burns fat, many foods can help your body utilize its existing fat stores more efficiently by promoting satiety, stabilizing blood sugar, and supporting a healthy metabolism. It's a subtle but crucial distinction. So, when you see a headline proclaiming a food burns belly fat, approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism. The payoff here is understanding that sustainable weight loss is about creating a consistent calorie deficit and optimizing your body's internal systems, not about finding a magical incinerator in your pantry. Now, let's talk about the often touted negative calorie foods. This myth suggests that certain foods, like celery or lettuce, require more calories to digest than they provide, resulting in a net calorie deficit. While it's true that these foods are very low in calories and high in water and fiber, the concept of a negative calorie is a scientific impossibility. Your body expends some energy to digest all foods, but this energy expenditure is always less than the caloric content of the food itself, unless you're eating pure ice. The surprising truth is that even these extremely low-calorie foods still contribute some calories. The benefit of these foods, however, is their high volume and low caloric density. They fill you up without filling you out, contributing to satiety and helping you feel full on fewer calories overall. The payoff here is recognizing their true value lies in their ability to displace higher calorie options, not in a mythical negative calorie effect. Next up, the detox diet delusion. Every spring, it seems, a new detox trend emerges, promising to flush toxins from your body and kickstart weight loss. Juices, special concoctions, restrictive eating periods, the variations are endless. Here's the shocking truth. Your body, specifically your liver and kidneys, are incredibly efficient detoxing machines. They work 24/7, without the need for expensive cleanses or restrictive diets, to neutralize and eliminate harmful substances. The weight loss experienced on these detox diets is almost exclusively water weight and temporary glycogen depletion, not actual fat loss. The moment you resume normal eating, the weight often comes rushing back, sometimes with extra interest. The twist is that while these diets are marketed as purifying, they can actually be detrimental, depriving your body of essential nutrients and potentially slowing your metabolism in the long run. The real detox is a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods that support your body's natural detoxification processes. So, if fat-burning foods and negative calorie foods are myths, what really helps? The answer lies in foods that influence your body through three key mechanisms: satiety, nutrient density, and metabolic support. Let's dive into satiety. This is arguably the most powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal. Satiety refers to the feeling of fullness and satisfaction that prevents you from overeating. Foods that are high in protein are champions of satiety. Think lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, legumes, and Greek yogurt. Protein has a higher thermic effect than fats or carbohydrates, meaning your body expends more energy to digest and metabolize it. More importantly, protein triggers the release of hormones that signal fullness to your brain, reducing appetite and cravings. Imagine ending a meal feeling genuinely satisfied, not just full, but content, and not thinking about food again for hours. That's the power of adequate protein. It helps you naturally eat less without feeling deprived. This is a crucial shift in mindset from restriction to satisfaction. Closely linked to satiety is fiber. Often overlooked, fiber is the unsung hero of weight management. Found abundantly in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, fiber adds bulk to your meals, slowing down digestion and promoting a sustained feeling of fullness. There are two types: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which can help lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting digestive regularity. The twist here is that fiber isn't just about feeling full, it also feeds your beneficial gut bacteria, which play a surprising and increasingly understood role in weight management and metabolic health. A thriving gut microbiome can influence everything from nutrient absorption to hormone regulation, subtly but significantly impacting your weight. So, those seemingly humble vegetables are doing far more than just adding vitamins to your plate. They are orchestrating a symphony of beneficial internal processes. Next, consider nutrient density. This refers to the amount of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants a food contains relative to its calorie count. Foods like leafy greens, colorful vegetables, berries, and lean proteins are incredibly nutrient-dense. They provide your body with essential micronutrients without packing in excess calories. The payoff here is that when your body is adequately nourished at a cellular level, it functions more efficiently. Deficiencies in certain micronutrients can sometimes lead to cravings as your body tries to acquire the missing elements. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you're not just filling your stomach, you're fueling your body optimally, which can naturally reduce cravings for less healthy, nutrient-poor options. It's like giving your car premium fuel instead of watered-down gas, it just performs better. Now, for a topic often muddled by diet culture: healthy fats. For decades, fat was demonized, seen as the primary culprit in weight gain. The shocking truth? Healthy fats are absolutely essential for overall health and can actually support weight loss. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats contribute to satiety, slow down digestion, and help with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. The twist is that while healthy fats are calorie-dense, incorporating them in moderation can help you feel more satisfied after meals, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options later. They also play a crucial role in hormone production, including those involved in appetite regulation. The key is quality and quantity. Ditching processed, unhealthy fats in favor of wholesome, unsaturated fats is a game changer. Let's talk about the incredible power of water. Yes, water. It sounds too simple, right? Yet, dehydration can often be mistaken for hunger. Our bodies are often terrible at distinguishing between the two. Imagine feeling a slight pang, reaching for a snack, when all your body truly needed was a glass of water. Drinking water before meals can help fill your stomach, leading to reduced calorie intake. Furthermore, water is vital for every metabolic process in your body, including fat metabolism. Staying adequately hydrated ensures your body functions at peak efficiency. It's a free, zero-calorie, superfood that often gets overlooked in the quest for complex solutions. The payoff? A simple habit that can have a profound impact on your overall calorie intake and metabolic rate. Finally, a less obvious, but profoundly impactful category: fermented foods. Think yogurt with live cultures, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and kombucha. These foods introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut microbiome. As we hinted earlier, the gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as a key player in weight management. A diverse and healthy gut flora can influence metabolism, inflammation, and even appetite-regulating hormones. While the research is still evolving, there's growing evidence that a balanced gut microbiome can support weight loss and overall metabolic health. This is a fascinating twist. The microscopic world within you holds significant sway over your waistline. So, how do we put all this together? It's not about magical isolated ingredients. It's about building a diet around whole, unprocessed foods that prioritize these characteristics. High protein, lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, Greek yogurt. High fiber, abundant fruits, vegetables, especially leafy greens, whole grains, beans, lentils. Healthy fats, in moderation, avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fatty fish. Ample water. Hydrate consistently throughout the day. Strategic carbohydrates. Focus on complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, avoiding refined sugars and processed carbs that cause rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to cravings. Mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Slow down, savor your meals. This isn't a food type, but a critical behavioral component that maximizes the benefits of the foods you choose. The biggest twist of all? True, sustainable weight loss isn't about restriction, it's about abundance of the right foods. It's about filling your plate with satisfying, nutrient-dense options that naturally lead to a calorie deficit without feeling deprived. It's about shifting your focus from what you can't have to the incredible variety and deliciousness of what you can have. This approach leads to sustained lifestyle changes, not temporary diet cycles. Are you ready to stop chasing fleeting fads and start building a genuinely nourishing relationship with food? It's time to stock your pantry and plate with foods that truly empower your weight loss journey. Begin today by incorporating more protein, fiber, healthy fats, and water into every meal. Remember, your plate is your power. Choose wisely, nourish deeply, and watch your health truly flourish.